Live from WBFF in Baltimore, this is Fox 45 News at 4.
The Baltimore City Inspector General is raising red flags, finding more than $500,000 of COVID relief money to pay Artscape performers. That funding is more than double the allotted budget for musical acts.
The IG's investigation comes as inspectors general across Maryland publish a letter calling on the General Assembly to grant broader document access to their offices.
Well, thank you for joining us. I'm Kai Jackson.
And I'm Mackenzie Frost. We have team coverage. Jeff Abel has the latest on the new investigation into Artscape funding. First, Rebecca Pryor has details over the fallout from new guidance from the Attorney General's office on Maryland public records. Rebecca.
Tonight, accountability and transparency concerns clearly going far beyond just Baltimore City, with IGs from Howard, Montgomery, and Baltimore County also saying that this interpretation of the law will tie their hands when it comes to protecting your tax dollars.
A warning tonight from 4 government watchdogs. In a joint statement, inspector generals from across the state saying new guidance from the Attorney General's office would, quote, incapacitate their work. While not a formal legal opinion, that guidance interpreting Maryland's Public Information Act, advising IGs should be treated the same as any member of the public, despite local laws granting them broad access to government records.
Very big redactions.
In Baltimore City, officials already citing the advice letter to justify redacting financial records requested by IG Isabel Cumming and her investigation into the mayor's office of neighborhood safety and engagement.
I can't do the job when I'm given documents that look like this.
And now she's not alone.
Only in the last few weeks have I experienced a point where the county attorney has told me I cannot have a record.
Montgomery County's IG, Megan Davy Lamarzi, saying for the first time in her 6-year career, key evidence, including personnel and financial files, are being withheld from her as well. All information, she says, is imperative to the IG's mission of weeding out waste, fraud, and abuse.
So if you're following an investigation where there's been an allegation of fraud, and you need to figure out where did the money go? How did someone fraudulently obtain some government money? You have to be able to get that bank account information. It's important that we tell the whole story. And you can't get the whole story if you don't get every record that is necessary for the job.
The IGs arguing once records are in their possession, they abide by strict confidentiality rules, protecting private information from being released publicly. But they say without full access, accountability will be weakened statewide.
Limiting our access really does come ultimately at the expense of our residents. They are the ones who rely on us. They are the ones who trust us, who come to us with their concerns.
The same goes for lawmakers, who the IGs are now turning to. Their statement calling on the General Assembly to amend Maryland's Public Information Act.
It's not about one jurisdiction or another. This is about Maryland as a whole. Are we going to stand up and say, we are a state that believes in doing the right thing and holding folks accountable for their actions, and that goes across the board.
And for now, it's unclear what lawmakers might weigh in. Today, our questions to Senate President Bill Ferguson's office on this issue were once again ignored. Meanwhile, we know in Baltimore City, Mayor Brandon Scott, he is doubling down on his position on this issue, meaning with no legislative action, we will likely see this dispute over transparency end up in court. Reporting live from outside of City Hall, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
Hey, I'm Mackenzie Frost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Check out Fox Baltimore on all of our social media pages for more videos just like this.